Over the next couple of weeks, in the aftermath of our celebration of the Feast of Corpus Christi, I want to offer some reflections on the Eucharist. And these are reflections that come from the U.S. Conference of Catholic Bishops. They are entitled The Body of Christ Broken for the World. And so the first reflection that I want to offer is titled, We Experience the Eucharist as a Community. The Eucharist draws each of us closer to Christ as individuals, but also as a community. As Catholics, we never really worship alone. At the Eucharistic liturgy, we gather with the young and old, the rich and poor, as well as millions around the world and the saints in heaven to celebrate Christ's sacrifice. This powerful reality reminds us, in the words of Pope John Paul II, a truly Eucharistic community cannot be closed in upon itself. Rather, the Eucharist challenges us to recognize our place within a community and the human family. So I offer a couple of reflections on this meditation from the USCCB. First of all, the Eucharist allows us to experience community. It allows us to experience what it means to be the body of Christ on earth. It is our participation in the universal body of Christ, the church, the worldwide church. So the St. Nicholas Parish community is the body of Christ, the community of the faithful in miniature. Secondly, the experience of the Eucharist allows us to build community. It allows us to become closer as the body of Christ. And it should make us feel greater unity and closeness with the universal church, the body of Christ throughout the world. And so the Eucharist is both an experience of community and a way of building community.